Zoom gained huge traction in a very short span of time. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, most of the people are staying at home and working from home. And for them, Zoom is the best solution for the virtual meeting. It provides best-class video conferencing support up to 100 participants at once. It also provides the feature of desktop sharing, call recording, and blur background before entering the call. And just because of all the features, Zoom has got more than 200 million active users last month, which was just 10 million before. In spite of having huge customer following, Zoom is under fire due to the security concerns. Recently, Indian government warned its officials that Zoom sends its user data to the third party sitting in China. So if you're also concerned about your data, about your security, and you are looking for the alternative of Zoom, you are at the right place. Today in this video, we are listing top 5 alternative of Zoom that serves all the purpose which Zoom serves. So this is Amir, and here we go. In this list, in number 1 is Cisco WebEx meetings. Actually, Cisco is offering free access to its WebEx meeting to support work from home in all the countries where it is available, and it is absolutely free during the pandemic. In spite of being free, it has all the enterprise features like unlimited uses with no time restriction and conferencing support up to 100 participants at once. It also provides the voice calling facility over internet protocol. Just to get all the features, all you have to do is you have to sign in on the official web portal of Cisco WebEx meetings. All the links are in the description, you can follow from there. Number 2 is Skype Meet now. Users who do not want to go for the highly enterprise focused solutions, Microsoft has brought Skype Meet now. It serves the alternate of Zoom. The best thing is that to use Skype Meet now, there is no need of any account, means you don't need to sign in. It also provides features like video conferencing support up to 50 participants at once, desktop sharing, call recording, blur background before entering in the call. Just to get all these features, all you have to do is you have to visit dedicated page of Skype Meet now. As I told you, the link is in the description. You can follow this link and you can reach there. In this list, number 3 is Microsoft Teams. If you don't want video call solution, you can go for the Microsoft Teams. It provides unlimited chats and searches. And if you want, you can make one-to-one audio calls and one-to-one video calls also. It provides 10 GB team file storage facility and also 2 GB file storage for your personal data. If you want, you can also use Microsoft Teams as an alternative of Zoom. In this list, number 4 is Discord. It is also very popular among gamers, but it can be also alternate of Zoom. You can also use it to video conferencing with your teammates of your colleagues and also for the online classes. It also supports video conferencing up to 100 participants at once. The best thing is that it is also available for Android platform and also for iPhones. So simply what you can do, you can download mobile app of Discord and you can also connect with your contacts available on your phone. For any reason you do not want to use Discord, then you can also use Google Hangout. As I told you, it is a Google product. To use it, there is only need of a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, you can use Google Hangout. It also provides a lot of features like you can make a video conferencing up to 10 participants and chatting more than 150 participants at once. You can also use it for the text messaging and chattings. So it can be also the alternate of Zoom. So this was the list of top 5 alternatives that can be used in the place of Zoom. Mention in the comment section which is your favorite and what do you think is the best alternative of Zoom. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. For today, this is enough. Very soon we will have another video with another topic. For the time being, bye bye and take care.